I've been talking about animals returning from the dead this week, or more accurately, animals we thought were extinct, until somebody found them alive. There's actually a name for species like this, Lazarus taxa. And some of these stories are incredible. Take the Bermuda petrel. For centuries, people believed it was extinct. Then in the 1950s, nesting birds were discovered in Bermuda. It hadn't come back from the dead. It had survived without anyone realizing it. Then there's the crested gecko. It was thought to be extinct for decades before being rediscovered in New Caledonia in 1994. But maybe one of the wildest examples is the coelacanth. Scientists knew coelacanths primarily from fossils and believed their lineage had disappeared many years ago. Then in 1938, a living one was pulled from the ocean off of South Africa. Imagine knowing an animal from the fossil record and then suddenly realizing its relatives are still swimming. And it keeps happening. The Lord Howe Island stick insect was believed extinct after invasive rats devastated its population. Then researchers discovered a tiny surviving population on a remote volcanic sea stack called Ball's Pyramid. And then a Fernandina giant tortoise was found alive in the Galapagos in 2019 after more than a century without a single confirmed living animal. And in 2022, researchers photographed a black-naped pheasant pigeon in Papua New Guinea after it had gone about 140 years without scientific documentation. So naturally, all of this raises a question. Are there animals we currently call extinct that are actually still out there? Two of the most famous possibilities are the thylacine or Tasmanian tiger and the ivory-billed woodpecker. The last known thylacine died in captivity in 1936, but reported sightings continued afterward. Some researchers think thylacines may have survived in the wild for years beyond that. But could there still be a breeding population in Tasmania today? We don't have verified evidence. And then there's the ivory-billed woodpecker, a huge woodpecker from the American South that has not been definitely documented in decades. People still report possible sightings, recordings, and videos, but none have settled the mystery. And that's what makes all of this so fascinating. History has proven that sometimes we really are wrong about extinction. But rediscovery doesn't mean an animal literally came back from the dead. It means it was hanging on the entire time. And maybe somewhere right now, another extinct species is doing exactly the same thing. So tell me, if you could discover one supposedly extinct animal still alive today, which one would you choose?